Alright, so we've got some really heavy rain that we're going to talk about, which will happen tomorrow, Sunday and Monday. There's also 3 weather warnings in place for tomorrow, which is Saturday and Sunday and Monday, including 2 amber alerts or amber warnings. But first we're going to talk about how much rain we're expecting. So today, which is the Friday, you've got no rain, mostly clear skies. But then as we move into Saturday, as we can see here, Saturday 13th, 6 PM, the rain will be overnight though on Saturday into Sunday. As you can see, 12 o'clock at night, which will be Sunday. You can see the rain will start to begin heavy right up here. Right up here. As you can see, Saturday, yellow rain warning right here, which would be roughly 40 millimeters of rain, possibly 45, but additionally, most likely 45. But then, as Sunday moves on, you can see here now we're talking 50 to even 60 millimeters. And then, as we move in to late evening on Sunday, the 14th, widespread floods are now possible right here. For some strange reason, they've not put any warnings for around Cork. Look, that's quite heavy. That's like 50 millimeters of rain. Bit strange. They might update it, but they've only got until tomorrow. But anyway, also around Keswick, you cannot zoom in for some reason, but right in this red area, which is roughly here for Sunday, amber warning, that's around 50 millimeters of rain. And then widespread, you're talking probably like 20 to 30 millimeters, but then it gets heavier as we move into the early hours of Monday. This is where the heaviest rain will happen. This slight purple right here, that's almost 100 millimeters of rain. Roughly 75 millimeters, 75 millimeters. And then Carlisle will probably get around 30 to 35 millimeters. And then it fades away. Wednesday you might expect some slight rain overnight, light rain. Nothing crazy, but yeah. Now the rain warning or weather warning. So Saturday here, northwest Scotland. Then would you say this is southwest Scotland, which covers Dumfries, and then Cumbria, Carlisle, Whitehaven, Workington, all this, pretty much all of Cumbria. And then we've got Preston, Blackburn, Burnley, Lancaster, possibly Blackpool, but not too sure. Then Clitheroe, all of this here, Bolton as well. And then Sunday you've got an amber rain warning covering pretty much like half of the Lake District. Keswick, Cockermouth, Whitehaven, Ambleside, Bowness on Windermere. This is a hot spot for floods that are possible, especially if you're near the coast as well. You should be aware because tides will probably rise, and if you're living anywhere near the lakes as well, I should be cautious because flooding's likely going to happen on Sunday night and Monday. Carlisle as well, but even some parts of Wales, and a yellow rain warning for Derry and Belfast, Newry as well, northern Scotland. So subscribe if you want more updates, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.